The Supreme Court has cracked the whip on the migrant crisis. The Supreme Court has said ferry all migrants back within 15 days if they want to go back to their homes. The Supreme Court has also said that all states have to take care of the migrants. States have to generate employment for them and get all migrants registered at the block level and district level. States should facilitate this movement if they want to go back to other states for work. Utkarsh Anand, our legal editor, is now joining us with more details on this. So, Utkarsh, largely the task of generating employment for the migrants is going to be with the state governments, correct? And some states have already started that process. Was that also told to the Supreme Court?
Yes, Maha. In fact, now that the migrants, most of them, as was earlier informed by the central government to the court, at 1 crore migrant workers, they have reached their native towns, their native places. To that, the Supreme Court had to say that now that most of them are back, what are state governments doing about generating employment opportunities for them, using the manpower, using the resources there, and also to give them what they are entitled of. Court said that you have to have a system in which all the migrants who have come back, they should be registered at block level and district level so that the authorities concerned, the state government officials, they know that these are the migrant workers who have come back from different states. And now their entitlement should be given to them, employment opportunities should be provided to them, and generation of employment opportunities will also rest with the state governments concerned. As for instance, Bihar said that the skill mapping has already begun in the state of Bihar, and that employability is being examined by the state government, and those who have come back from other states, they can be given suitable jobs in Bihar itself. About the other aspect, the court has also said that counseling should also be done. Not just this, the migrant workers who want to go back to other states now that the commercial activities are on the verge of resumption, those who want to go back, state governments must also facilitate their movement back to other states.
Okay. All right. So the Supreme Court has there clearly directed both the state governments as well as the centre to ensure that, first of all migrants are able to go to whichever place they want to under these circumstances, and also to the state governments to generate employment. Utkarsh Anand getting us all those details. Let's now take a look.